Who administers the CMRP exam? A. The American Physical Asset Management Center. B. The American Hospital Association Certification Center. C. The American Healthcare Resource Management Association. D. The American Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. Which costing methods are permitted to use a standard cost system? A. Process costing. B. Job order costing. C. Neither job order costing nor process costing. D. Job order costing and process costing. What is SMRP best practices? A. A platform where you can find job opportunities in the field. B. A way to connect with other professionals in the industry. C. A guidebook of world-class metrics and guidelines for maintenance, reliability, and physical asset management. D. An opportunity to review and ask questions about confusing concepts. How should students take a CMRP practice test in order to be successful? A. Take the test with no time limit to make sure they understand everything. B. Set a timer and take the test as though it were real. C. Take the test in one sitting without taking breaks. D. Rely on memorizing information rather than understanding concepts. Which of the following causes the greatest decrease in a manufacturer's revenue? A. Cost of goods sold. B. Income taxes. C. Cost of goods manufactured. D. Selling and administrative expenses. What organization is the CMRP exam overseen by? A. The American National Standards Institute. B. The International Standards Organization. C. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals SMRP. D. The World Health Organization. Which assets can be capitalized with interest? A. Assets that the business creates for its own use. B. Assets that the business uses to earn money. C. Assets that are made in large quantities. D. Assets that the business intends to use in the future but has not yet began using. What is the CMRP exam cost administered by the American Hospital Association Certification Center? A. The CMRP exam cost is an assessment of your knowledge and skills needed to become a maintenance technician, reliability expert, or physical asset manager. B. The CMRP exam cost consists of downloadable materials. C. The CMRP exam cost is an online webinar. D. The CMRP exam cost is free of charge. The Robinson-Patman Act forbids what practice? A. Price discrimination. B. Collusion. C. Affirmative action. D. Price fixing. What should a good CMRP practice test include? A. Questions on current trends in the field. B. Questions about course material not related to the CMRP. C. Unrelated topics to the CMRP certification exam. D. Questions based on the SMRP body of knowledge and CMRP certification exam topics. An enterprise resource planning system's back-office function is generally utilized to interface with A. Customers, B. Managers, C. Suppliers, D. Creditors. What is one way of preparing for the CMRP exam? A. Take an online class in your career field. B. Read the CMRP book and study the exam content outline. C. Go to a CMRP seminar. D. Take a practice exam. Which of the following is a benefit that participatory budgeting might have? A. Top-down approach to budget decisions. B. Not subject to employee misperceptions. C. Less expense associated with budget development. D. Increased buy-in from employees. Which of the following, according to Total Quality Management, is not a part of every process? A. Processing. B. Input. C. Output. D. Variation. What action needs to be taken first to close the performance gap between your manufacturing and world-class performance? A. Develop gap closure plans and begin to implement them. B. Assign more resources to work on attaining performance. C. Define the value of the gap to know its worth to company. D. Review gap analysis to ensure it reflects your current performance accurately. By what should preventive maintenance tasks be categorized? A. Strategy. B. Requirement. C. Solution. D. Process. Which method of business analysis enables the analyst to make use of already existing information to evaluate the company's current situation in light of a particular business need? A. Process modeling. B. Document analysis. C. State diagrams. D. SWOT analysis. What output includes a preliminary analysis of possible solutions to identify how and whether each option can deliver the desired business benefits? A. Change strategy. B. Business need. C. Strategic analysis. D. Feasibility study. Do you currently find the current functionality to be sufficient? What kind of structured interview question is this? A. Closed-ended. B. Open-ended. C. Research. D. Meta question. Which elicitation method would help you the most to comprehend the current procedures being used in an online order entry system? A. Brainstorming. B. Observation. C. Focus group. D. Prototyping. The Bactum states that a business analyst may suggest a change to a solution or to realize the solution's potential value. A. Limitations. B. Requirements. C. Solution. D. Enterprise. You are choosing whether to retire or replace a particular solution. The money and effort that have already been invested in this current initiative are one aspect you take into account. What aspect do you take into account? A. Sunk cost. B. Necessity. C. Opportunity. D. Ongoing cost. What 4 stages of team development in the order they are experienced would you expect your new business analysis team to go through? A. Collecting, understanding, realization, working. B. Norming, storming, forming, performing. C. Forming, storming, norming, performing. D. Forming, norming, storming, performing. What is the best reason for involving a business analyst in solution evaluation tasks? A. They bring technical skills to the solution assessment. B. They have built relationship with all key project stakeholders. C. They are most knowledgeable about the business environment. D. They work closest with the project manager and the project team. Which of the following statements is typically accurate? A. Construction contractors are usually equally skilled at performing all maintenance tasks. B. Maintenance is often reduced through project designs that provide in-place spares for all rotating equipment and heat exchangers. C. Reliability-centered maintenance can be applied on capital projects in the pre-construction stage to determine the maintenance plan. What are the 3 biggest obstacles to creating a maintenance and dependable organization? A. Culture people resources. B. Budget operations people. C. Engineering human resources budget. D. Culture engineering budget. What are the main applications of variable analysis life data? A. Maintainability analysis. B. Probability of failure determination. C. Life cycle cost analysis. D. On-time ratio calculations. A manufacturing company has installed asset monitoring devices on critical motors, providing engineering with vibration, acoustic, and operational performance data. Determining the asset management strategy. A. Operational-based maintenance CM corrective maintenance. B. Preventive maintenance OBM operator-based maintenance. C. Condition-based maintenance PDM predictive maintenance. What is the mean time between failure if a machine is operated for 500 hours and 5 failures are recorded during this time? A. 500 hours. B. 0.01 hours. C. 2,500 hours. D. 100 hours. Which of the following most effectively makes up the members of a manufacturing? A. Team. B. Sales customer production supplier senior management. C. Maintenance engineering production human resources. D. Production maintenance supplier engineering. E. Senior management production human resources. An audit of skills is conducted to A. Help an organization understand skills in its industry. B. Help an organization understand skills it requires. C. Benchmark skills against other companies. D. Develop employee training plans for the next year. Which of the following is the most effective way to gauge employee training and skill levels? A. Maintain a skills inventory and tracking database. B. Ask employees to keep a training notebook. C. Keep records of all formal training courses taken. D. Have employees complete annual self-evaluations. The best approach to training maintenance personnel is to first A. List all the tasks the workers need to perform. B. Check the budget to set how much to spend per worker. C. Review the list of classes already taken by the workers. D. Give classes to all workers on basic skills. How should maintenance and reliability teams interact with clients and vendors for maximum efficiency? A. Purchasing should be the only communicators with suppliers. B. Management should be the only communicators with customers and suppliers. C. Team members should be involved in communicating with customers and suppliers. Where MTBM equals mean time between maintenance and AA equals MTBM plus MDTM mean downtime for maintenance modem. A. Achieved availability formula. B. Inherent availability formula. C. Corrective maintenance hours. D. Achieved availability. Which of the following items on the list should be prioritized when planning a major shutdown of your operating area, also known as an annual turnaround? A. Historical turnaround maintenance days, operations desired work list, prior turnaround work lists. B. Available turnaround budget, equipment condition, budgeted down days. C. Condition and remaining life of critical equipment, value of production throughput, labor and materials availability and cost. You are creating the maintenance workforce strategy as the maintenance manager. What workforce characteristics will result in the greatest effectiveness? A. An annual bid and selection of a maintenance contractor is performed, using unit costing of tasks normally required. B. A managing contractor is brought on site to handle all aspects and provision of maintenance labor. C. Multi-skilled mechanical crafts and instrument electrical crafts are hired and developed. Exists in the field of maintenance and reliability between lagging indicator metrics and leading indicator metrics. A. Lagging indicators are measures that reflect accomplishment of goals. B. Leading indicators are low-level measures that reflect accomplishment of goals. C. Leading indicators are used by management, while lagging indicators are used by personnel on the shop floor. According to Total Quality Management, which of the items listed below does not constitute an element of any given procedure? A. Deviation. B. Clarification. C. Input. D. Output. Which of the ones that follow is an achievable advantage of collaborative financial planning? A. Fewer costs pertaining to financial drafting. B. Utilizing an approach that comes from the top, make expenditure choices. C. Improved employee commitment. D. Not susceptible to errors by staff members. Which restocking methodology for a particular commodity entails presented fluctuations in price levels? A. Conventional retail. B. Weighted average cost. C. Average cost retail. D. Dollar value LIFO.